Hi, I'm Christine Dively, culinary specialist in the Florida division with Gordon Food Service. And today I'll be showing you how to make an Amethyst cherry berry cheesecake crostata using our Gordon Choice white cake mix. We're gonna start with either fresh or frozen blueberries and cherries. Add sugar, fresh squeezed lemon juice, and zest. Cook the berries down for about 10 minutes. Prepare a little bit of a cornstarch slurry to thicken everything up. Turn off the heat and add your vanilla. Take 8 ounces of room temperature softened cream cheese, sugar, fresh squeezed lemon juice and zest, 1 egg yolk, and a little bit of vanilla. We're gonna whisk that together until it's well combined with no lumps. Now let's get started on that crostata base. White cake mix. To that, we're gonna whisk in all-purpose flour. We're gonna add our eggs. Go ahead and stir that together to create a soft dough that you can work with your hands. Portion this beautiful soft dough into 3 to 4 ounce dough balls to form the base of our crostata. Go ahead and start flattening them out into discs. Top it with the cheesecake base and the cherry berry filling. Now gently pick up each of your discs and begin crimping the edges towards the center. Egg wash them and sprinkle a little sugar on the edges. Into the oven they go, 350 degrees for about 15 minutes. So you can see they have the perfect golden brown color around the crust. Let your crostatas cool for at least 15 minutes so that they're easy to handle. Then you can hit them with the powdered sugar for garnish. This recipe and others are in Gordon Culinary Pro, which is a great resource for you to keep your recipes and inventory all in one place so you can worry about the things that really matter to you most. For more inspiration and for more recipes, go to gfs.com.